The first question was, is it wise to quit job and prepare for CAT? In what extreme scenario should one quit? Also, please provide sessions on how working people can make the most out of the limited time available to them. Uh, this is not a very direct question to answer. This is fairly nuanced and depends on every case. So there are two kinds of situations. One, wherein you're not doing your CAT prep and you're using your job as a crutch or an excuse for not putting in your 100% in order to do your best for your CAT. And the other one is your job is genuinely toxic, and the sort of environment that you have, the kind of hours that you have to put in, they do genuinely take away from your CAT prep possibilities. Okay, so of course, if we break it down into these two possible cases, we can definitely say, yes, in the first case, you should not quit your job. In the second case, you should quit your job. But then there are finer degrees involved here, because at the extreme level, you need to have a fair assessment of what your job demands. And in order to do that, there is a mechanism that I recommend my students, and I would recommend to you folk as well. One thing that you would have to do is look at all the time that the job doesn't take up. Let's say a weekend. Let's say when you return from your office at 9:30 in the night. Worst case scenario, you return from office at 9:30 in the night. So after that, are you putting in everything that you have in your power to make sure that you're studying for 2 hours, 3 hours daily? Is it a matter of habit, or do you forego that studying and then instead spend time on watching Netflix TV shows or some Amazon Prime shows or some Hotstar shows? If that is the case, then quitting your job will not help, because it is not a problem with the job, it is a problem with our consistency in putting in effort. So in case you want to quit your job, subject yourself to the following test. All the time that you have for the next month, all the time that you have, dedicate it to CAT study. If you are able to dedicate it to CAT study all the time that you have and not waste time here and there, then maybe quitting your job can be logical, can be admissible, can be possible. But in case you're still being very, very lax with your CAT prep, don't quit your job. Doesn't make sense. The other end of the spectrum is a lot of people have this grouse.